So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Android phone is constantly running into this emergency call situation. Or for some reason, if you just take a look at the top left corner of your particular Android phone, it'll see something like emergency calls only, or these things are only for emergency calls. And this can be a very, very annoying thing for some people. The very first thing I'd recommend doing for the average person is to go through and just double check that your particular Android phone has a SIM card installed inside of it. If it does not have a SIM card installed, that is probably going to be the number one issue that you're going to run into. So double check your particular SIM card and make sure you have a SIM card installed. The other thing you want to do is make sure that the area that you're in, you have some sort of cell signal. If you do not have any cell signal in the area that you're in, that can be another pretty big problem and another pretty big issue for this particular situation. So once you have verified that you do have some sort of SIM card or eSIM on your particular phone, you want to make sure your area that you're in has some sort of signal inside of it. If you're in the middle of a cave or you're in the middle of somewhere random and it's not allowing you to have calls, that could be another thing going on as well. Now another thing you may want to try doing is to double check that your particular cell provider or your cell area doesn't have some sort of down issue where their servers aren't down. So you can make your way over to a website like downdetector.com, isitdownrightnow.com, any of these types of websites, and you want to see if your particular cell provider is down. So you can see for these three right here, the big three, Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, if there was a humongous spike like there was for Verizon right there, like two of them right there and right there, then that might mean that there's just some cell issues going around, and you're just going to have to kind of wait it out until Verizon fixes their stuff, or AT&T or T-Mobile, or any of these carriers fix their issues. That could be another thing you can try doing. Finally, you can also try restarting your phone. So hold down the button to restart your device, and you can also go through and try updating your phone as well, and that might fix the problem as well. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.